Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure this will please many of my subscribers who have watched my painful circlip removal on the drive shafts, but I finally got some. Picked these ones up from Amazon for just under a tenner, I think. Come with the packaging a little bit damaged, but what do you expect from Amazon? But yeah, no, just wanted to jump on a bit of a new tool evening. Just sort of see what these are like. I mean, it's what you get for about a tenner. But no, they seem nice. Quite a few different ones here. I mean, US Pro. I mean, I've had their socket adapter on that windy gun for it's probably about a year now, and I mean, I've given that windy gun some serious crap. But yeah, no, they look. I mean, it's about what you'd expect for a tenner, as long as they sort of do the job. Yeah, just have to see how well they last. I mean, before, it's got to be a lot better than this. Before, I would just line the circlip up like that and just sort of split it apart and pop it, and then to get it back on, it would be quite painful with a screwdriver and one clip and sort of just rolling the rim over. So sure to make the viewing a little bit more pleasurable. Right tool for the right job and all. But yeah, no, I thought I'd jump on. Yeah, they seem quite dirty already. Shocking. Yeah, no, they seem right. As long as they sort of do the job. With like sort of all my review videos, you guys will be the first to find out when I snap one. That's shorter than that one. Interesting. Let me just check the other ones. No, maybe just a bit of quality control. Sure, I can file that down, it's not a problem. But yeah, no, I have, funny enough, be putting them to the test soon, because I've got a new drive shaft to install on the Land Rover. Seem to be, I thought I'd bring this one back out. I don't know if it's the 35-inch tyres or the build or the quality of these. I mean, this was, I don't believe it or not, I mean, I do a lot of off-roading. It's probably 6 months old. No joke. But if you've seen my videos, you know I stick my stuff in the swamp. But yeah, no, got another drive flange and another shaft to go in. Kind of given up with the Ashcroft shafts. I'm just putting in All Makes 4x4 from is it Malting's 4x4 store. I just think that maybe I've taken all of the can't even say the right word, sorry. I'll leave this in just so you guys can laugh, but I can't think of the right word. Basically, I've just taken all of the slack out of the drive line, made everything heavy duty, and I'm just wondering if that's why I'm killing so much. You know, I'm happy for a 20, well, I don't know, what are they, 20 quid drive flange to go, because that's easy enough to keep on the wagon. But when that Ashcroft shaft sheared in a diff like that, I think I'd rather just keep changing the drive flanges than risk a diff, well, Salisbury axle diff, because that's going to get expensive. But yeah, I'll be putting these to a test in the coming probably 2 weeks, I'm going to say, for that video. But yeah, no, I always like to jump on, if I can if I break them on the first time, I'll tell you guys, and then you won't waste your money on them. But some of the US Pro stuff's been pretty good for me, so I've got no complaints. I mean, there's not a great, I mean, on the Circlips, there's not a great deal. I think it'd probably be this one probably used the most, longer one. But yeah, no, that's it. Just wanted to jump on, sort of show you some new tools. We like new tools. I've got lots of review videos coming up. I've brought lots of new tools, ratcheting spanners. Have an awning review coming up. I'll give you I don't really want to entirely ruin the build, the video quality, but I spent quite a bit of money on a 270-degree awning, and the bag's completely fallen apart within 3 months. But I'm just waiting for the company to come back to me. They've been quite good on the emails, sent them pictures. So I'm waiting to do the review on that until the full picture. You know, I don't want to be, you know, it could just be bad quality control or delivery damage. You know, I want to let the company kind of say their piece, and if they honour the warranty on it, I'll be happy, and I will rave about their customer services. But if they don't, I don't like to do too many of these, but I will probably, again, save yourself money. I will post my story and my experience. But yeah, that's coming up. All right, thanks guys. I will catch you on the next one.